How to fix could not add card, try again later on Apple Pay. The first step is you need to check your card information. Ensure that you have entered the correct card details such as your card number, expiration, and security code. Typos or incorrect information can cause this error, so make sure to recheck it. Another thing is you need to verify card region. Confirm that your card region and time zone settings on your iPhone matches the region of your card. So let's say you are in United States, so make sure that your region and your time zone is selected to United States at the same time. Next step is you need to activate new card. If the card is new, make sure that it's activated with your bank or card issuer before attempting to add it to your Apple Wallet. At the end, you need to make sure that your iOS is up to date by simply going in the software update and make sure that it is up to date. If everything else fails, you need to contact your card issuer. If the problem persists, you can reach out to your bank or card issuer. They can verify the card's status and assist you in resolving any issues. So hope this helped. This is how you can fix could not add card. Try again later on Apple Pay.